Blend and Sons Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electric has been serving our community since 1937 through repeat business and referrals. Our team at Blend and Sons are experts in the fields of HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and indoor air quality services. We even treat you like an MVP with our maintenance value plan that offers standard maintenance, added benefits, service, and quality. Feel free to ask us about our MVP plan today. Serving Northeast Ohio is a privilege we take seriously, and it's our promise to meet your expectations or your money back with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Blend and Sons Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electric is happy to discuss financing options and special offers anytime. We know your home is your haven. It's the place where you sleep, unwind, and make memories with your family. We look forward to providing you excellent service to make your home as comfortable as possible. Call us today